Adding a Visa gift card to DoorDash is a straightforward process. To do so, start by logging into your DoorDash account. From the left-hand menu, select Payment Methods. Then click on Add Payment Method. Choose the Visa gift card option and enter the required details, including the gift card number, expiration date, and CV number. Once you've completed these steps, click Add Payment Method to finalize the process. With your Visa gift card successfully added, you can begin using it to pay for your orders by simply selecting it as your payment method at checkout. If you encounter any issues, refer to the help section in the DoorDash app or contact customer support for the most up-to-date instructions and assistance. It's also important to ensure that your Visa gift card has a sufficient balance to cover your orders, as it will be used as a prepaid payment method.